good to have some money now because we could be rich, right, honey? Yeah, we could be rich anytime we want. We could buy a dinosaur or a TV. What'd you buy? A dinosaur. Oh, that's like $3 million. Well, who cares? Let's get one. I got my favorite dinosaur. I'm playing it out. Oh my goodness. Is he fine? Is he a carnivore? Oh, I gotta go cage now. I'm about to throw up.